going on a little cruise, as you can see behind me. I've got a bunch of cars going here. Got 135, a few Mustangs, all that stuff. And so it should be a good time. And so we're gonna go to some curvy roads. Oh my God. Yeah, we're gonna see how this go, man. Yeah, we're gonna see how this go, man. I think some of these dudes are a little wild, so. All right, y'all, so we're waiting for Cam right now. I think he's driving his Focus RS today, so he'll be here in a bit. So we just got everybody all lined up going here. It definitely was an interesting ride coming. This man Elias was all up my ass the whole time. And then the blue Mustang was, yeah. Blue Mustang was having a time at it. But yeah, so next stop, and we'll be at Pottenstein, and then we're just gonna go and explore over there, have some fun.
Turns, man. Mustangs can't turn.
That's fun, like, you know, I'm used to driving it, so it's like, but a couple of those corners, like, I thought they went across the way. So we were having a good little go at it, you know. It was all fun and games, and then a Subaru happened, you know. But I blame Cam, you know. I think he brought all that negative Subaru energy over here.
It's the life of owning a Subaru.
So yeah, so he's broke down somewhere back there somewhere. I don't even know. So we're just kind of in limbo at the moment. But yeah, we'll see what happens.
I'm just curious. Why don't you just like plug that in and let it record?
Shut up. You're way too smart.
Don't tell me you never thought of that.
I didn't.
Oh my God, I wish I had a camera on your stupid ass right now.
Well, if you was a good cameraman, you would.
catch the fucking wheels on that shit, man. What the...
That thing's clean.
Yeah, that was.
It's like one of the moments, bro. I was like, shit, man. Like, I knew it was clean, you feel me? Dude, man, I felt like I had a Jordan moment. Chris Tucker's Last Stand Up special?
Nope.
Yeah, well, he said that Michael Jackson used to tell him, I just stopped singing.
Shit. Yo,
He's like, Chris, no Chris, no.
Yeah, I remember that. I did see that shit.
Christmas.
What size is your SD card?
Well, we just got done so with our runs. A couple of guys went back to rescue the broken down Subi, but we prevailed, as y'all saw, and we were having a good time. Man, this 135i really surprised me. I didn't expect him to be keeping up with us like he did, you know, but I was on Cam Mass the whole time. Yeah, but yeah, I was following Cam and for a good portion of the time, but man, super fun day, man. This was our first time being able to leave off a base in like 7 weeks, so that was super dope. You know, everybody was super stoked. We had a good time. Nobody got hurt except the Subaru, but you know, that's to be expected. But yeah, man, if y'all enjoyed the video, please do like and subscribe. And if you want to see more of this type of content, just let me know. Take it easy. I'm out.
Now that's frightening right there.